Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Kristi. Today I have something a little different for you guys, so I hope you'll stick around and watch and give me your thoughts on this if you think it's interesting or not. But this is just something that I've been doing for the past few weeks and I've fallen in love with it. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I do DIYs, I talk about skincare, and of course I do hordes of Dollar Tree hauls. So if that is something you're interested in, please join my YouTube family and let's have some fun. So it is no secret that I love Dollar Tree and I pick up lots of products there that I use on a daily basis. So I've been looking for a way to make some makeup remover pads for my face or something to help get rid of the makeup. I have very sensitive skin and so I'm always looking for things to use on it that aren't going to break me out because I break out so bad, guys. So one of my favorite products at Dollar Tree is the Assured brand 100% pure cotton rounds, and in these you get 80. So I wanted to make a makeup remover using these wipes. So I picked up a few other products at the Dollar Tree. I picked up some No More Tears shampoo. This is in the baby section, so you want to use baby shampoo for this because it is for more sensitive skin. I also picked up in the baby section some baby oil. You're also going to need an airtight container. So I just picked up one of these at Dollar Tree. They have the little plastic seal around it so that it is airtight. Or you could also repurpose one of your old Williamsburg candle jars because they do have a little seal on those because they're in a mason jar, and you could close those up tight. And you'll be using distilled water to make this little batch of makeup remover cotton rounds. Again, this project is fairly easy. You're going to want to just take a medium size bowl, and in that medium size bowl you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of baby shampoo, and you're going to want something that is tear-free. I'm going to walk you through this process step by step just to show you how easy it is. Again, all of these products were purchased from Dollar Tree. Next, you're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of baby oil. This next step is extremely important. You're going to want to add water, and the water needs to be distilled water. Distilled water is going to make this less likely to grow bacteria or mold when it's sitting in your bathroom. Again, you're going to be putting this in an airtight sealed container, but you're not going to want to make 100 of these. You're just going to want to make enough for about a week at a time, in my opinion. And that way they're not going to have enough time to grow any kind of a mold. Again, use distilled water. I do have distilled bottled water. You're going to use 1 full cup of distilled water and 1/2 cup. Once you have those ingredients in your bowl, you're just going to want to mix them up really gently and make sure all the ingredients are incorporated. I'm just using a whisk so I don't make a ton of bubbles. Again, you're going to want to use an airtight container that you've already washed and cleaned, sterilized, all that good stuff. Then you're going to be using also your Assured cotton rounds. You take a small amount of your liquid that you've already mixed and put it along the bottom of your container. Then you're going to want to add just enough of the cotton rounds so that it begins to soak it up. Then you're just going to want to keep repeating the process, putting in some liquid and then some more of your cotton rounds. You are going to want to add a little bit of the extra liquid because, you know, these are cotton rounds and they continue to soak up as they sit. It depends on the size of your container whether you will use all the liquid or not. As you can see, I do have a little bit in here, and like I said, it will continue to soak up through the pads. I like to go ahead and cover these. I like to go ahead and store these in the refrigerator. Again, it helps with mold growth or anything like that. I've only made enough to last me and Kerrigan about a week, but that's 2 people in our household. This would, if you're just one person, last you a lot longer. You can definitely put a label on here or use a dry erase marker so that you can put the date on here so you'll know exactly when you made them. Or you can even label what they are. But I absolutely adore these, and these have been a lifesaver on my skin these last few weeks because it has been so dry here. Okay guys, this is the end of the day for me, and I was going to use one of those makeup remover rounds and just show you how well they work. I don't know if you can see, but of course I've got makeup on. My lipstick's pretty much gone. I've ate. My eye makeup's still on, although I do use micellar water here because I don't want to pull and tug at my eyes. But these things work so good. Let me go ahead and get one out. Sorry for any family noise you may hear. On the other side of this wall is also my dryer, and it has been going all day along with the washing machine. So here is the makeup pad. Here is the makeup. But that's all I do is just, this is going to show you how perfect my skin is not. See? It just takes it right off. Okay. Here's this side of my cheek. See the sun damage and all that? Guys, I do not have perfect skin and I have wrinkles. Okay, so let me show you how I'm just barely touching because I don't like to tug at my skin. Again, brings it right off. And then of course, after I use this, all I'll do is just rinse this off my face, and then I always double cleanse. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. You can see that I still have a little bit of lipstick on from this morning. Yeah, that's how long it's lasted. But watch how well this just takes it right off. Again, no pulling or tugging. I really love these. I think it's because there is a little bit of the baby oil in there that it helps in my face from being so dry. I like using them on my neck too because when I put makeup on, I usually go down on my neck and put a little bit of powder down here. So I always swipe up one of the cotton rounds on my neck to make sure that before I put my skincare on at night that it is completely clean as well. And I also use them on my chest. I don't have really sensitive skin on my chest and neck, so it has kept my skin really soft and clean. I love these. If you guys are going to try them, let me know what you think. There are plenty of different ways to make this. I know that some people have made these with coconut oil. You can use them with Johnson & Johnson's products. There are several different ways to make these, but this was just the way I done it. I wanted to make it a Dollar Tree DIY. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next. I hope everyone has an amazing week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.